Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life. Today is a Valentine's Day special and I will be reviewing what is on my Honey Bunny bracelet. And I actually just redid it because I've acquired new charms from my Honey Bunny for this Valentine's. So it's a little bit redesigned. That's pretty exciting, but before we get into the video, this video is hosting the giveaway for reaching 6,500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I feel like this is happening so fast. It's so exciting. And on Instagram, you guys voted. The charm that won was the 2019 Club Charm. I think it's perfect because we are charm collectors. It's 2019 and the charm is so cute. And it's already fitting on this bracelet so beautifully. I'm so excited with how this is coming out. So, you know the drill. All the details in the description below on how to enter to win the 2019 Club Charm. And now moving on, let's take a close-up look at my Honey Bunny bracelet. Here is the newly redesigned Honey Bunny bracelet. So again, these charms are mostly given to me by my significant other, but I also have added stuff along the way just to kind of help the bracelet tie together, and then just things of just that remind me of him too. So let's take a closer look at what we have going on here. I do have this on an 18 centimeter pink CZ clasp, barrel clasp bracelet. The safety chain that I have on here is the Enchanted safety chain. Just love the vintagey look of this safety chain. And then we have an H. It's the vintage H. It is not what his name starts with. It is not what my name starts with, but it does stand for honey. And then, I guess, spoiler alert, on this side, I have the B for bunny. So, Honey Bunny bracelet. Right here would be, I believe, the first charm I ever got from him. It is the Gifts of Love heart charm with the pink enamel, the sparkly bow. I believe I got this for Valentine's. It was the first Valentine's I started collecting Pandora. And then next you have the You and Me charm. So it's the heart dangle that kind of comes apart. One of the hearts says you. The other one says me, and it has that kind of fuchsia enamel on there. The next charm on here is Tigger. I got this for my first Mother's Day. No, wait. My second Mother's Day, because I was not collecting my first Mother's Day. So this was a gift from him for Mother's Day. Super cute Tigger with his little pink flower. And then this charm is one that I added to the bracelet. It is the Struck by Love charm. And it has a little arrow, the little clear CZ, and the pink enamel heart on there. Thought it complemented the colors that were going on this bracelet, and just kind of okay guys, I don't believe in love at first sight, but the first time that I ever met him in person, there was something. So, kind of felt like struck by love. I know, cheesy, but it's true. Clips I put on here from last year's Valentine is the Bursts of Love clips. The same ones I have over here. And this is a gift that I got from him for this year's Valentine's, and it's the Rob Bot. And the name Rob Bot is so fitting because it's like a play on robot. But the cutest thing is how he has a little rose flower. And in the beginning, he would always send me flowers, so I think it's super cute to represent that. Now he sends me charms, which I'm not sad about. Flowers every once in a while, but primarily charms. The next charm is the United Regal Hearts charm. This I believe I got on my last birthday. It's the two hearts together and then the little crown. I think this is super adorable. And for that same birthday, I got Cute Bunny in Pandora Rose for obvious reasons. This bunny's so cute with his little CZ eyes and his pink little detail on his ears. And this one, also a gift from this Valentine's, is the new love note. I absolutely love this little spirally notebook, and it says love note with a little red heart enamel on one page. You have I on the back of this page, heart on that page, and then it's always a little difficult for me to pull this over. It does come, oh, yep, okay. We'll figure it out later. But there's a U in there, I heart you, or I love you. And this one, he said, represents kind of in the beginning where like the text messages were nonstop all day long. Like couldn't stop texting each other. So kind of like the note symbol. And then this one, I believe, was for last Valentine's Day. It is the Kisses All Around Murano. So you have the red kisses with the pink glittery core. A sad burst of love clip. And then this one I added. It is the heart charm that has the little kisses in there. And then there's tiny little hearts between all of the kisses. And this one is called Love and Kisses. I thought it complemented this bracelet really well. And then, all right, we have 3 numbers on here. It is 317, which stands for March 17th. Not St. Patrick's Day, but it is the day that we actually met. And like I said, right, the Struck by Love charm represents that day. So do these numbers. So that day is just so meaningful to both of us. We're so like thankful that we came into each other's lives. We had known each other for a while, but hadn't met. So a work trip got us to meet, and that day we give thanks to for making the time to run into each other. And that's kind of where it all began. Everybody thinks that's when we started dating, because that's a lot of I think when people think dates, that's kind of what they kind of keep record of. But for us, I think I don't know, took like a year or so to get to that space. But this date is always really special. And then the ear charm, which was came with the Tigger charm for that Mother's Day. Again, we already covered the bee. And then this one is the remarkable bunny that I had got to represent the honey bunny as well. So that is the honey bunny bracelet reveal. So there you have it. That is the close-up look at my honey bunny bracelet, with mostly charms that were picked out by my significant other, and then others that I've kind of added just to complement the bracelet as we go. Let me know what you think about it. And what's your favorite charm on here? What do you guys think of little Robbot? I think he's adorable. Anyway, again, don't forget to enter the giveaway. Again, the details are below. If you're not already subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next time.